Good morning, students. So I hope I am audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope there isn't much background noise here.
No, ma'am.
All right. So we'll wait for a few minutes, let others join in, and then we can begin the class. Yes, Bacha, I had one something I wanted to ask you. So two of you had sent your write-ups about the weekend, right? So Pardeep, one of those was yours, I believe, right? And another one was, I think, by Yuvika. So am I right? I'll get back to you today. Right, I did read it. However, I got confused. I just changed my phone, so I lost the contacts. So I got confused which one was sent by whom. So Pardeep, I think you sent 2 pages, right? And Yuvika's was a single page only. So yes, I'll give my review today itself, right? I just wanted to confirm this. Okay, good job. So did you send it on WhatsApp? Okay, you emailed it. All right, I'll check my email. Thank you for reminding me. So let's wait for 2 minutes and then we can begin the class. All right, I believe we are good to go now, right? So most of the students have joined in. Hanji bache. So since we'll be having a short class today because we are supposed to, like, the faculty members are supposed to attend one important talk at 11 a.m. right? So from 11 to 12:30 even I think you won't be having any lectures. All right. So I thought it's good, it will be a good idea if we just quickly go through 2 or 3 exercises for subject verb agreement. All right. So I'll share the screen now. Hanji bache, so is the screen visible to all? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
All right. So should we begin with the answers? All right. Okay, so for the first, the medicine was not dash enough, so he stopped taking it. Right, so what would be the answer for this? Tamanna has already answered, very quick. So anybody else? Yes, the rest of students, come on. Hanji bache. Okay, so Anu Gupta has answered, Atul has answered, Gurleen, Simarpreet, Vishakha, very good. So answer would be effective, right? So the medicine was not effective enough, so he stopped taking it, right? Now moving on to the next one. The 4th of July is America's dash day. All right, so I have Tamanna's answer. Vishakha has also answered. Amandeep as well. Very good. So Ajayjeet, you are also correct. So the answer would be 4th of July, as we all know, is America's Independence Day, right? So depend se bana hai word dependence, or independent would be, and then we can have also the word independence. So the root word hoga, that is depend. ठीक है जी? So I hope this was clear for all. आपने ये मतलब, if you're fond of listening to English songs, you might have heard of this reference, like the 4th of July, right? So the day is bright or the sky is lit up like the 4th of July. So वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि 4th of July is their Independence Day, and of course they have a lot of fireworks and celebrations on this day, right? So moving further, I had to ask for dash to use my dad's car. Anji, Tamanna, you are correct. Rushant, Abhishek, very good. Vishakha, Ajayjeet, Pardeep, yes. So the answer is my dad's permission, right? So I had to ask for permission to use my dad's car. The dash rate has gone up again because so many people are out of work. Hanji. Yes, very good. Very good, Nakul. Yes. हाँ जी, गुड अजिजीत, आपका भी आंसर करेक्ट है. सो द आंसर वुड बी द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट. सी बच्चे, नाउ इधर वही बात है, ठीक है? एम्प्लॉय से द वर्ड इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. However, we need to read the complete sentence. The dash rate has gone up again because so many people are out of work, right? So it would be, okay, so many people are out of work, so it would be the unemployment rate has gone up again. All right. So if we write employment, no doubt employment is a correct word. However, that word does not make sense in this sentence. ठीक है, फिर हम उस word को थोड़ा और change करेंगे and we would say unemployment. All right. So she spent most of her dash in the countryside. This one is easy. You should be able to get this one correct. Very good. So she spent most of her childhood. Very good. Let's move on ahead. So they had to make a dash because time was running out. Hanji, Amandeep, Manav, very good. Yes, Vishaka. So I think all of you are replying correctly. So it would be they had to make a decision because time was running out. So he needs more self dash, otherwise he won't win the match. So yes, that is correct as well. He needs more self-confidence, otherwise he won't win the match. So the newspaper came out with a big letter dash. I think it would be with a big letter headline because newspaper has headlines, right? Otherwise, we have the answer sheet answers with us as well. We can check it later, right? So moving further, the dash was able to escape from the building even though it was well guarded. Very good. So it would be the prisoner was able to escape from the building even though it was well guarded. So my husband isn't dash in the army. That is correct. So my husband is an officer in the army. So very good, Satyam, good Joe, Divyanshu, Harkamal, you are replying correctly. So moving further, the bank dash took place on Friday afternoon. Oh, sorry, we have the 11th one as well. The airplane was able to make a safe dash. Hanji, all of you, you are replying correctly. Very good. So the airplane was able to make a safe landing. The bank dash took place on Friday afternoon. Very good, Rushan. Amandeep, yes. So the answer would be the bank robbery took place on Friday afternoon. All right. So moving further, the children used their dash to draw funny pictures. Very good. So the children used their imagination to draw funny pictures. The hurricane caused terrible dash on the whole island. Very good, Manav, Vishaka, yes. Good, Jodh, Anu Mishra, Hanji, Satyam. All right, so it would be the hurricane caused terrible destruction. Right, बच्चों? So the right word is destruction. Destroy से destruction. ठीक है जी? His dash is very important to me. This everyone is getting right. I think this one is relatively easy, right? So very good, Rushant, Ajajit, Divyanshu, Gurleen. So it would be very good, Rishabh. Yes. So it would be his friendship is very important to me. All right. London has many wonderful dash, so you should take at least a week to visit the city. So yes, it would be London has many wonderful attractions. So you should take, and yes, beta, do take care since we have the word many here. So it would be attractions in plural, right? अगर आप अकेला attraction लिखोगे, that won't be correct. Many people don't believe dash because they don't tell the truth. So yes, that is also correct. Many people don't believe the politicians because they don't tell the truth, right? So either it could also be, the many people don't believe in a dash. So agar hota hai na कि they don't believe in, so we don't believe in politics, and of course the rest of the sentence would also be slightly different in case the word would have been politics, right? So dash, the airport was closed, so no passengers could get out. Hanji, very good. Now see in this sentence, everybody is correct, right? So unfortunately, the airport was closed, so no passengers could get out. So the police were looking for the dash of the car. Yes, you are correct. So the police were looking for the owner of the car. And yes, but you notice one thing. So either the police were लिखा गया है, right? क्योंकि पुलिस को अच्छा इसमें पता क्या है, दिस इज अगेन देयर इज दिस कंफ्यूजन एट टाइम्स यू माइट रीड पुलिस वॉज, ठीक है, वो क्यों होता है कि जैसे द टीम वॉज, टीम नो डाउट एक प्लूरल एक जॉइंट वो है, कलेक्टिव नाउन है, हाउ एवर वी आर यूजिंग सिंगुलर वर्ब विद दैट, same is true for police, right? So police is also a joint, but at times police was use होता है, कई बार police were use होता है. So I think this must be something to do with the American English and the British English, right? But most of the times, yes, I have read the police were looking for the, in plural verb इसके साथ use होता ही देखा है मैंने. So the helicopter flew the survivors to dash. Very good. So the helicopter flew the survivors to safety. All right. So moving further, I dash don't like rap music, but some people do. Very good. Yes, I personally don't like rap music, but some people do. So yes, personally spellings would be person plus ALLY, right? All right, moving further. So I rang, yes, Atul? So Atul, you raised your hand, you had something to say? All right. So she was still dash when I entered. Okay. I rang the bell. After a short time, a dash of the house opened the door. So yes, all of you have answered this correctly. A servant opened the door. So servant would be SERVANT. ठीक है जी. Now moving further. She was still dash when I entered the room at noon. So again, she was still. अच्छा इधर बेटा बता क्या होगा? She was still asleep. Right? That would be more correct here. Though she was still sleeping also makes sense, but she was still asleep when I entered the room at noon, right? Since let me check what directions have they given. So they've just said to form a new word that fits into each blank. All right. So he was one of the greatest. Yes, Vishaka, you are right. It would be scientists of all time. All times. Why scientists in plural? Why? Because इधर बात हो रही है. He was one of the greatest. So one of the greatest मतलब ये काफी सारे थे, उनमें से वो एक थे, right? So इधर हम plural लगाएंगे. ठीक है? So I hope इसमें आपको clarity होगी कि why do we say scientists with S and not scientist, right? So like you talk about your friend, so she is one of my close friends. So that means that you have a number of close friends. Let's say you have a few close friends and she is one of those. ठीक है जी? The school offers several extracurricular dash for their students. All right, this was an easy one, right? So all of you are getting it right. So the school offers several extracurricular activities for their students. All right, let's move further and check. So I think we got most of them right. The medicine was not effective enough. Independence Day, permission, unemployment rate, childhood, decision, self-confidence. Okay, yes, this is headline. Prisoner, officer, landing, robbery, imagination, destruction, friendship, attractions, politicians, unfortunately, right? Owner, safety, personally, servant, asleep, scientists, and activities, right? So I hope you don't have any doubt related to this activity, this word formation exercise we just did. Hanji bache, any doubt? All right.
No, ma'am.
Everybody? कहीं पे कोई भी confusion, we can all discuss it, go back. So good to know. So I am sure you are very comfortable with this exercise now, right? So I have another one and we still have time to go. So I think we can solve that one as well. So this screen is visible to all. Oh, this one, I think we had already done this one, isn't it? Hanji, this one is a repeat one. So give me a minute. I'll just look for the other one. I think I probably deleted the other one, right? So no problem about it. So yes, bacha, I think you're all right. So I think that would be it for this class, right? Since the faculty members have one talk to attend, right? So that is why the short class today. Anything you might want to ask or talk about, you're most welcome. Hanji bache, anything you want to discuss, any doubt? Otherwise, also, if you want to, talk about how your classes are going, and yes, we have the weekend now. So you did practice, talking about the weekend first, and now you're getting to spend it as well. So I'm just taking the screenshots for the participants. Right, so we have a good strength today. So bache, your teachers will leave a message in the group whenever you're supposed to join the next class, right? So it all depends on whenever we get free from the webinar we are supposed to attend. So that was all for the class, right? Enjoy your weekend and take your time to relax, to do something you enjoy, right? Indulge in your hobbies.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, college open होने की कोई instructions आई हैं?
No, bache. So far we have not received any instructions. And
Ma'am, जौन से peer exams होने हैं, वो कुछ पता है online होने या offline?
Again, I can't say anything about it. See, it is all dependent on the situation, right? The COVID situation.
Okay.
But I do remember reading the latest Punjab government guidelines. So उसमें तो था कि the schools and colleges will remain closed, right? I think वो notification ये Monday को आई है या maybe
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Wednesday. You might have read it too. ठीक है, कर्फ्यू का भी
Okay.
टाइम उन्होंने 6 to I think 6 AM कर दिया, something like that. तो उसमें तो यही था कि schools and colleges are not opening for now. बाकी let's see.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, let's hope that we guys get to meet soon. Chalo, was that all? Anything else you might want to ask? Yes, bache, the webinar is only for the faculty members, not for the students. So you have around 1 hour to yourself, right? So your weekend began early. So yes, you can take this 1 hour and relax. I'm not sure how long the meeting will go on, but I'm going by the time that at least it would last for an hour, right? So I hope that was all from your side. Anything else you might want to ask? So should I say goodbye? And Yuvika and Pardeep, yes, I will get back to you, and Gurjot, you as well, about your write-up. All right. And yes, I'll get back to the rest of you as well for your assignments, right? So that was all. Have fun, enjoy your weekend, relax, and see you all on Monday.